Hi, it's great to be doing this video today. I'm going to share with you how law firms can sustain its culture in a new hybrid working model. This is causing leaders considerable concern, and quite rightly so, because 40% of its employees are looking to leave their job. So it's important that as you transition from a fully remote to a hybrid working model, that you do so as best as possible. My name is Andre. I'm the managing director of Thomas Telman, and I have helped hundreds of companies improve their culture and their talent management processes and systems. So there are 5 key things that you need to be thinking about. The first one is values. So do you need to rethink them? COVID-19 has caused considerable amount of disruption, and it's made us rethink some of the key things that are really important to us. So perhaps it's time to embed diversity and inclusion in a more meaningful way. Or maybe it's time to institute a culture of care. 2, leadership and management. Managers need to spend time understanding loneliness. This affects more people than we think, and it's not something that we talk about. And so to overcome team loneliness, it's important that, or individual loneliness, it's important that we spend time calling, communicating informally those individuals in our team. 3, social capital. Social capital is important because we have lost a significant chunk of our culture. So how are you being more creative to be more social? Is it time to be more, to think about more inclusive ways of the team being able to get together, as we've not been able to go out in the way how we have done in the past? So it's about being more deliberate about how, where, and when we socialize. So perhaps it's time to maybe think about, breakfasts in the morning, could be a bagel and coffee breakfast 1 day a week. 4, performance management. Is it time to redefine your key performance indicators? There are over 30 different KPIs a law firm can choose. And so an example of one of those is Net Promoter Score, which measures the client's satisfaction, and that can be attributed to an individual's performance. So because we now have more, we can choose and the when and how and where we work. KPIs are something that we can look at and assess accordingly. And the way to do that is to set or select the KPIs you want to track, set the targets, and track accordingly. Now, it can take a couple of months for you to see trends, but just bear that in mind. And the 5th thing is learning and development. And I want to share with you a really interesting graph that will hopefully bring certain things to the fore. Now, the green bars illustrate what's effective for in-person interactions, and the orange bars are what's most effective for virtual interactions. Now, with 50% preferring energizing interactions in person, then it's best to perform tasks such as brainstorming new ideas in person, whereas case reviews may be considered as information transfer, therefore is better suited as a virtual task. So there are my 5 key things that a firm should be thinking about when transitioning from fully remote to hybrid. And if you don't do so, you're likely to see morale drop and possibly individuals leaving. And furthermore, your competition is already doing so. So if you wish to discuss anything about your culture, then please contact us. Thank you.